Dhruv Rathi. We will talk about Dhruv Rathi. Dhruv Rathi is much more popular in India and he is also popular worldwide on YouTube. If you look at his creativity, it is just amazing, absolutely studious. If he is giving information on any topic, he use proofs while giving the information. And on social media platform, there are many trollers who used to troll Dhruv Rathi because they are thinking that he is an anti-BJP person. He is gaining some economical benefit from India alliance and using his own voice against the NDA, against Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. But if you ask me about Dhruv Rathi, I think 80% Dhruv Rathi is an right creator. And I believe on one thought, and that is practicality, that is reality, that no person is 100% wrong and no person is 100% right. But if you look at the maturity of Dhruv Rathi, the maturity of thinking, the maturity of anchoring, the maturity of speaking, the maturity of keeping the level of thought on a stage, and that shows that he is a true human being. He is not the person who is just anti BJP. If Rahul Gandhi is making mistake, he will use some negative words related to Rahul Gandhi, not negative words, but he will show reality. If BJP is in the power, so he is trolling BJP a lot. I will not call him a troller, but he is showing reality to BJP. If Congress will come into power, if Rahul Gandhi will become the prime minister someday, he will ask Rahul Gandhi a questions also. So Dhruv Rathi, if you ask me, I used to follow him. You should follow Dhruv Rathi because he shows reality. What do you think about Dhruv Rathi? Just comment below. Thank you. Thanks a lot.